Barbell upright row. Great exercise for training the medial head of the shoulder and also your traps. Before we grab that bar, we're going to make sure that we have proper palm placement. Palms will be facing your thighs, also known as a pronated placement. Make sure your palms are in the center of your thighs, not too wide, but also not too narrow. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the easy bar, but you can also use a straight bar. Now, once I have the proper palm placement, I'm going to make sure that I'm performing this movement with a full range of motion, creating contraction in the proper muscles. The first muscle that you want to engage for your upright row is your traps. I'm going to engage my traps by shrugging my shoulders up to my earlobe, and then I'm going to follow by pulling my wrists directly up like I'm lifting up my shirt, elbows nice and high to the ceiling, maximize contraction at the top, and then come back down nice and controlled. At the bottom of that movement, I want to make sure that I relax my shoulders. Okay? Once again, shrug the shoulders, traps up to the earlobe, pull the wrist directly up like you're pulling up your shirt, and back down nice and controlled. Relax the traps. When you're in between reps, it is very important that you don't keep your shoulders shrugged the entire time.